313.
I'm behind one eastbound 70, approaching County Road 22561. The Arkansas 633, young married Adam, 633, YMA via black passenger Honda. Currently failure to yield, speeds currently still 70. Hot Springs.
333.
Give you about 20. Approaching 128. Highway 128, still 74, failure to yield. Go ahead and call 1037.
819.
TDI. Hands! Show me your hands! Hands! Hot Springs, one at gunpoint.
I think Burlington County's got a unit closed everywhere else.
Step out. Get down on the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
I got you. It's okay.
Down.
I wasn't trying to flee. I was trying to head to the gas station, so we had light. That's why I wasn't.
Face away from me. Put your arms out. Put your right hand on the head.
Springs all units met closed.
I'm not trying to resist, nor was I trying to flee. I'm sorry I gave you that impression, but I was just trying to head to the gas station, so that way we can have a social location and have light. I'm sorry I really gave you that impression. I was not trying to flee.
Do you have anything on you?
No, sir.
Nothing else?
No, sir.
13, 1015.
I really am sorry.
821.
I was not trying. That's why I wasn't going fast.
13, I'm east of Cloud 9 coming toward you.
Oh, do you mind grabbing my glasses, please?
Get them in a minute.
Thank you.
Get up on your knees.
Yeah.
Lean back. Stand up. Come on up.
Up.
13 Hot Springs. You can 1064 to net. Go ahead and start next to that.
10-4. Do you have units with you yet?
Negative. He's so locked in. He's 1015.
Thank you.
I'm almost to.
10-4, K3. Do you want me to clear it?
Clear what?
The net.
He advised me to.
Yeah.
13 Hot Springs. Beat Arkansas 633. Young Mary Adams 633 YMA.